From my own experience, it's fun.
Very exciting.
Challenging.
Challenging.
It's challenging.
Very, very challenging.
It's been intriguing. It's been difficult.
Very tiring.
Tiring.
It's pushed me out of my comfort zone.
I've learned stuff here that I would most likely not learn anywhere else.
I've met a lot of new people, made a lot of new connections.
One of the greatest things you experience at AIX is the connections.
Got out from the bus, I was kind of nervous. I thought I would be alone. But then, through the first challenge, I made a lot of friends, and then I'm getting buggy and excited already about the whole program.
AIX is a 2-week enrichment program for senior high school students.
In the first week, we focus on leadership and design. And then in the second week, we focus on 3 key areas. There's robotics, there's entrepreneurship, and there's engineering.
The hope is that at the end of it, they will be able to go back to their schools and be change makers.
So there's a program fee, but we also would not like finances to be a barrier to any really smart, motivated senior high school students who would like to apply. We have a certain number of scholarships available of varying levels, which we offer to the students who really need it.
Each year we have students who are coming from outside, and this year we have students from Ghana, Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire as well, and sometimes we have students who are Ghanaian but live outside in the UK or in the US, whose parents send them down to come spend time with us, for AIX.
I hope to achieve an improvement in my confidence level, gain some leadership skills, and improve upon my creativity.
In leadership, we have taken them through issues of self-leadership, public speaking and communication, the importance of body language, non-verbal communication, and how to step out boldly, comfortably, and prepared to be better speakers.
We did something called pitch your idea, and then we did it in groups. That gave me the courage to stand in public and then speak. So now I am not shy, I'm confident.
We discuss ethics and the importance of having values. That's really, really key.
Design at AIX is a way of introducing young people to how you can use design thinking to essentially reconfigure the world around you. What we want them to take away at the end of this 1 week is a basic design thinking toolkit that they can use to solve problems.
AIX has taught me how to be more creative in my thinking and everything. I should not see the process to solution in one way. I should see it in very different ways.
In the entrepreneurship module, what we do basically is to help the students hone the leadership and design thinking skills that they learn in the first week. And then, in addition to that, teach them how they can solve problems and come up with commercial ventures that would also benefit them. Every team will come up with a solution to a problem that they've identified. Now, this solution, they would develop a business model for, and this is what they present on the final day.
The engineering module introduces students to the various disciplines in engineering. So we discussed all the major professions and the branches out from it. And then we introduce them to how machines are built and how they're controlled. And then we focus on the control part. Our theme this year has been automation. We've looked at how industry runs, how plants run, how the machines are controlled. And we decided that instead of building the plants that we can control, we'd rather build a smart house.
So in the robotics module, we introduce students to robotics as a way of exposing them to engineering and computer science. We use the Lego Mindstorm robotics kits, and they learn various mechanical principles and how to build robots to solve various problems. They also learn programming. So we had a field trip to Coca-Cola where the students actually got to tour the plant and really appreciate the high degree of automation that takes place in such a factory. We then have a challenge that is a loose simulation of this activity.
One thing I've learned from AIX is to be open-minded, and that's something that I'd like to take on with me.
When I go to my community, I'll look different from all other people that have not yet experienced AIX.
I've learned how I can expand the business I've already started and how I can make it better.
When I came here, I wasn't very confident about my capabilities. I didn't think I could do some of the things that I am doing now. So I think it has helped me boost my confidence level.
In my school, I'm the only person to be able to come to this program. And I'm most happy that when I go back to my school, I'll be able to share this experience that I have to them.